Hi, my name is Adrian Alejos. I cover the Midwest for Anatomage, and we're going to look at the Anatomage table today. On the table, we have 4 cadavers. As you can see, 2 females, 2 males. These cadavers were flash frozen at the time of death. And if we take a look over here, we can see the real axial images that were taken from the cadavers, sliced at about 0.6 millimeter thick of slices. We could scroll through these slices and we can see true color, true spatial relationships, and we have translated that data into a 3D model that is modeled at a true 1-to-1 scale. And now that we have this model, we could rotate it around, we could pinch to zoom in, and of course scroll through the different layers of this cadaver. And you'll notice true colors on this cadaver as well. And if we bring back those layers, we can go ahead and make cuts on the body at any angle, up to 7. And here we're making a nice sagittal cut, and we're going to remove one side of the cadaver, and we'll be able to see all of those true colors from that nice slice, and we could scroll through and see the beautiful anatomy there. And we could, of course, adjust that cut and bring it all the way back. But we also have regional scans. And if you look at these regional scans, they're sliced at a smaller cross-section. The axial slice is a little bit thinner, anywhere from 0.2 to 0.4 millimeters. So we have head and neck scans, brain scans, heart scans, and even dental scans. So this is a regional of the heart here, and we have revived the cadaver. Just rotate that around. So you can see the chambers of the heart, you can see the heart valves, some of the arteries and veins, and we could bring this heart to life. If you could see that heartbeat start to occur there. And we could see conduction as well. If you see the nerves highlight with yellow color there. And right now we're currently at 102 beats per minute, but we could adjust that heart rate and slow it down a little bit. So it is now at 44 beats per minute, and you can see the differences there. If you come over here, you can see the ECG going through, and that will coincide with the heartbeats as well. So here we have a MRI of the brain, and this patient had a glioblastoma. And we have our 3D model, which came from our 2D scan. So that 2D scan here, as you can see, standard imaging, and we're going to scroll right to where that glioblastoma is, and you can see it appear there. Let's go ahead and measure that. And this part of the software is FDA cleared to assist with diagnosis. So we've measured that. We've done a measurement of 50 millimeters, and we're going to go back and change this 3D model. What we're going to do is apply a transparent MRI render. And we could interact with this similar to the cadaver. And we've made a couple cuts, and we should be able to see that measurement populate in 3D here. And you can see that 50 millimeters across that. So we have several clinicians and simulation labs using this clinically and uploading real patient data.